everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Twitch FM. Now, Twitch FM does not mean FM radio. It just means Football Manager 2022. As you know, Football Manager is quite a popular game. A lot of people enjoy it, and hence it became a very popular category on Twitch. As you can see, there is almost 100k followers just for Twitch Manager, even though currently the only current viewers is very low, and this guy seems to be the monopoly right now. But yeah, Twitch FM is just Twitch Football Manager. As if we go to this page, as we can see, this guy is just playing Football Manager 2022, and yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.